today I'm going fidget shopping. I'm really excited to go fidget shopping. Well guys, before we go fidget shopping, I have a really big challenge for you. You have to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and then the notification bell in just 5 seconds. Are you guys ready? Because here goes the countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you won the challenge, give yourselves a pat on the back. Now let's get started. Well, let's wait. Okay guys, we're going. Okay guys, we're here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to a fidget shop first. I'm going to Kid Stuff. I wish it's open. Kid Stuff was not open. Now we're going to another toy shop. None of the toy shops are open. So we're trying to go to Target now. Wonder where Target is. Target is closed. We're going to Kohl's because once I got a tangle from there, so maybe they have new fidgets. I never knew you can have fidgets from Kohl's. At Kohl's we got this tangle, some balloons to make homemade stress balls, and this for my hair. So yeah. I'm so excited for this tangle. We might be getting Pixar. I'm so excited for that. I hadn't had it for a long time. Please no hate. They have ice cream, but I don't think we're going to get any. I am literally so obsessed with this tangle. I really like it. It's like a really nice red. And they have some dough perfect for this new stress ball. I can't believe we found that at Kohl's. Now we're going home now. I'll give you a haul really quickly when I get home. My bracelet has little turtles on it. So we're going to keep shopping and maybe we're going to go home in a few minutes. I'm really sad because I didn't have much fidgets in Kohl's, but I actually got a tangle, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I'm kind of sad they didn't have any fidgets. It was like closed in the other stores because it had really nice fidgets. I never seen these before. They're like cookie hippos. This Oreo is in the cereal section. Now we're going to pay for everything. See you there. That was a quick transmission. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait for opening it. I have this pink one. Wait, no, that one broke. Aw. I have this one and this one. And now I have this one. The pink one broke in the first day I got it. That was kind of sad. I'm not talking too loud because there's a lot of people here. We bought Oreo ice cream at the end. Well, I'm really excited for that because I never tried it. If you tried it, comment down in the comments. I'm just excited. Comment down below also if you have this tangle. Guys, do you know what this mule is? I paid the tangle. Let's go. Okay, we're going home now. See you there. OMG, I might be getting this. There's also an elephant too. Okay, so we're getting the cupcake puppet, but later. First, we're at Aldi's and we're going to buy some stuff and then we're going to get the cupcake puppet. I am so excited for the cupcake puppet. Guys, comment down below if you like the cupcake puppet or the tangle more. Maybe they have fidgets here. I don't know, but once they had Rubik's Cubes. Well, they might have some fidgets. Let's look for some fidgets. These pens are really cute. Let's keep on looking. Most of you that are watching like candy. Well, I don't like them, but please don't hate. I just don't like them. I just don't like them. Sadly, they don't have fidgets. Paint. I don't need paint. Yep, they have no fidgets. Oh my god, a tangle. Just kidding, it's just mine already. Why is there no fidgets here? Wait, is that a Shagnito? Never mind. This is really nice. We finally found a fidget. This is like relaxing dough. But luckily I already have a bunch of dough. I only need my cupcake puppet and then we can go home. So excited! People think that I'm talking to myself, I think. We're checking out. Okay, now we're getting the cupcake puppet. Let's go to get the cupcake puppet. Okay, we're back here and let's get the cupcake puppet. Here it is. And I like its tie-dye. So today I got these two fidgets. I boxed the cupcake puppet off camera, but I really like it. The soft side. The bad side. I'm kind of getting used to it. It's a little bit small, but I kind of really like it. It might be my least favorite puppet, but it is really cute. Let's open this tangle now. Oh my god, it is really smooth and really nice. My favorite thing was the tangle, but I do really like the cupcake puppet. I can bring it to school because it is kind of quiet. And I also got a balloon to put dough inside. I will show you how it turned out when I get home. Sorry for all the noise because I'm in the mart, you know. I really like this. It's like a metallic tangle. Well, kind of. I really like it. Sorry if you think I'm not popping all the bubbles. It's a little bit hard. Especially in the bad side. I love it. And I also really like the colors too. And I'll show you how I dye my hair. Well, I'll show you the results of it. Because you know, I got a blue dye hair thing. So I'm going to try it out. I wish it works because it did cost a lot of money. But yeah. I love this cupcake puppet.
This is the ice cream man.
Sorry for all the noise that people are making a little bit noise. But yeah. Oh, sorry. Which one is your favorite? For my opinion, I already said it, the Tangle. But if you like the cupcake puppet and you have it and you love it, well, nice. You might really have really tiny fingers. But yeah, it's a little bit, the bubbles are a little bit too tiny for me. This puppet cost $7. Oh man. Well, whatever. Mine will fit it to the collection. Here's a question. What do you like more, bad sides or good sides? Well, sometimes I like bad sides, only if they're crunchy. And sometimes I like good sides when they're really soft and crunchy. And the other side is like a little bit hard. It matches me so perfectly. By the way, if you want to see when I make the DIY stressful or when I dye my hair, you have to go to another video when I do it. I might post it tomorrow or I might post it today. Which one? Okay, and we are back at the car, so if there's not much light, there's going to be light anytime. Please wait for the video I make the stress ball and the video where I dye my hair. Well, let's see what it comes here. This is where the mini puppet came. This is the only thing left. By the way, guys, maybe I will not do it in another video. The thing when I make the stress ball. Maybe I'll do it here, but if I do so much time and you guys will not get to see it, so maybe I might put it in this video or I might not.
Yeah, tú vas a estar viendo que...
Sorry for that noise. Well, yeah, so I might put it here, but I might not. I might not, okay? So, yeah. So, if I don't put it here, don't be worried. So bye guys, I think I'll not put it in this video. I'll put it in another video. So if you want to see that, wait for it. Yeah, but yeah, bye guys. I wish you liked the video.